of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did it to me. Matthew 25:40. Inspired by this word of God, the congregation of Assisi Sisters of Mary Immaculate was established in 1949 by the servant of God Joseph Kandathil in Cherthala, Kerala, India. Our father founder took the inspiration from the life of Saint Francis of Assisi and started the congregation with the mission to follow the humble, poor, crucified Christ and to radiate his compassionate love in joyful service to the sick, the poor, the needy, and the rejected ones of the society, especially to the leprosy-stricken brethren. He was specially chosen by God to become an embodiment of compassion to everyone in need. Father Joseph was a man who carried God in his heart, a man whose heart was moved with the sufferings of his fellow beings, a man who had restless days and sleepless nights, seeing sufferings and tears of the downtrodden ones of the society. That holy priest who took God in his arms at the Eucharistic table. With the same devotion, he took the lepers with festering sores in his arm and cleansed their foul-smelling maggot-filled ulcers. Like Father Damien of Mologi, he emptied himself for them, lived among them, and died for them. So he was rightly called Kerala Damien. The life and work of Father Joseph, who introduced the world to the acts of mercy of Christ, that life is compassion, life is love, life is the gospel, and that gospel should be embodied in the lives of the most neglected in the society, was not meant to be confined within the borders of Cherthala or Kerala. On the contrary, it was God's will to shed light on India and the whole world, transcending time, space, language, and culture. As a result, the congregation Assisi Sisters of Mary Immaculate has spread throughout the world. Our father founder, servant of God, Joseph Kandathil had instilled in us the love for the crucified Christ and exhorted us to go in search of the most rejected ones of the society and do wholehearted service to them, irrespective of caste, color, or nationality. Overwhelmed by the compassionate love of Jesus, we the Assisi Sisters are involved in the mission of spreading this love, crossing even the remotest continent. We started our missionary activities in African continent in the year 2003. At present, we are in Kenya, Tanzania, and Madagascar. Our first fruits from African soils are Novice Benina Francis from Sacred Heart of Jesus, Bitini Parish, Wote Diocese. Novices Lucy Francis and Yesinda Mary are from St. Francis de Sales, Ingulotto Parish, Archdiocese of Arusha, Tanzania. Thank you.
Makofi kwa kusomea historia fupi.